Harmonization of SAP bases with emerging technologies. To successfully integrate SAP bases with emerging technologies, organizations need to follow the roadmap and the steps outlined above, and also consider the following practical guidance and recommendations. Adopt a holistic and integrated approach. Organizations should adopt a holistic and integrated approach for the integration and consider the interdependencies and interactions among the SAP S/4HANA applications and the SAP basis infrastructure and the AI, cloud computing, and IoT tools and platforms, and the users and customers, and the business processes and outcomes. Organizations should also consider the integration as a continuous and iterative process, and not as a one-time project, and be ready to adjust and adapt to the changing needs and expectations of the users and customers, and the evolving technologies and markets. Align the integration with the business strategy and goals. Organizations should align the integration with the business strategy and goals of the organization, and ensure that the integration supports and enhances the core competencies and capabilities of the organization, and creates value and differentiation for the users and customers. Organizations should also ensure that the integration is aligned and consistent with the vision and mission of the organization, and the values and principles of the organization, and the stakeholders and sponsors of the integration. Engage and empower the users and customers. Organizations should engage and empower the users and customers of the integration, and involve them in the design, implementation, and evaluation of the integration, and solicit their feedback and suggestions. Organizations should also ensure that the integration meets the needs and expectations of the users and customers, and provides them with a positive and satisfying experience, and enhances their satisfaction and loyalty. Organizations should also educate and train the users and customers on the benefits and opportunities of the integration, and the features and functions of the integration solution, and the AI, cloud computing, and IoT tools and platforms. Ensure the quality and security of the data and the systems. Organizations should ensure the quality and security of the data and the systems involved in the integration, and protect them from unauthorized access, modification, or disclosure. Organizations should also ensure the accuracy, completeness, consistency, and timeliness of the data and the quality and security of the systems, such as the SAP S/4HANA applications and the SAP basis infrastructure, and the AI, cloud computing, and IoT tools and platforms. Organizations should also implement various data quality and security measures, such as data validation, data cleansing, data encryption, data backup, data recovery, data access control, data audit, and data compliance. Comply with the regulatory and ethical requirements. Organizations should comply with the regulatory and ethical requirements of the integration, and ensure that the integration respects and protects the rights and interests of the users and customers, and the stakeholders and society. Organizations should also adhere to the relevant laws and regulations, such as the data protection and privacy laws, the intellectual property rights laws, and the consumer protection laws. Organizations should also follow the ethical principles and guidelines, such as the transparency, accountability, fairness, and explainability of the integration, and the AI, cloud computing, and IoT tools and platforms. Foster a culture of innovation and collaboration. Organizations should foster a culture of innovation and collaboration for the integration, and encourage and support the creativity and agility of the employees and teams, and the users and customers. Organizations should also create and maintain a conducive and supportive environment for the integration, and provide the necessary resources and incentives, such as the time, space, budget, recognition, and reward. Organizations should also facilitate and promote the communication and cooperation among the employees and teams, and the users and customers, and the stakeholders and partners, and create and join ecosystems and platforms, and share and exchange data and resources, and co-create and co-innovate solutions and opportunities. In conclusion, integrating SAP bases with emerging technologies such as AI, cloud computing, and IoT requires a comprehensive roadmap and a practical guidance for organizations, as outlined above. By following the roadmap and the guidance, organizations can overcome the challenges and leverage the opportunities of the integration, and achieve their desired outcomes and impacts, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Role of SAP bases in driving innovation and business transformation. SAP bases is the technical foundation of SAP systems, which enables the installation, configuration, administration, and maintenance of various SAP applications and components. SAP bases plays a vital role in driving innovation and business transformation by integrating with emerging technologies such as generative AI, cloud computing, and IoT. These technologies can provide new and improved ways of doing business, create value and competitive advantage for the organization, solve complex and challenging problems, enhance the customer experience and satisfaction, and achieve the strategic goals and objectives. One of the ways that SAP bases can act as a catalyst for innovation and business transformation is by enabling generative AI, which is a form of artificial intelligence that can create novel and customized content and solutions. For example, SAP bases can integrate with SAP Conversational AI, which is a platform that allows users to build, train, and deploy chatbots and voice assistants. These chatbots and voice assistants can interact with customers and employees, provide personalized recommendations and insights, automate tasks and workflows, and improve the user experience and satisfaction. SAP bases can also integrate with SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation, which is a platform that allows users to automate repetitive and manual processes using bots. These bots can learn from human actions, perform complex tasks, and optimize the business performance and efficiency. Another way that SAP bases can act as a catalyst for innovation and business transformation is by enabling cloud computing, which is a technology that allows users to access and use IT resources and services over the internet. For example, SAP bases can integrate with SAP S/4HANA Cloud, which is a cloud-based ERP system that provides real-time data and analytics, intelligent automation, and seamless integration. SAP S/4HANA Cloud can help organizations to scale and optimize their IT infrastructure and services, reduce costs and risks, and increase agility and flexibility. SAP bases can also integrate with SAP Cloud Platform, which is a platform that allows users to develop, deploy, and manage applications and extensions. SAP Cloud Platform can help organizations to innovate and differentiate their products and services, leverage the latest technologies and trends, and collaborate with partners and customers. A third way that SAP bases can act as a catalyst for innovation and business transformation is by enabling IoT, which is a technology that allows users to connect and interact with the physical and digital worlds. For example, SAP bases can integrate with SAP Leonardo IoT, which is a platform that allows users to collect, process, and analyze data from various devices and sensors. SAP Leonardo IoT can help organizations to monitor and optimize their assets and operations, improve their quality and safety, and create new business models and opportunities. SAP bases can also integrate with SAP Edge Services, which is a platform that allows users to run applications and analytics at the edge of the network. SAP Edge Services can help organizations to reduce latency and bandwidth, enhance security and reliability, and respond to events and situations in real time. There are many examples of successful SAP basis integrations that have led to tangible business outcomes. For instance, SAP and Microsoft collaborated to integrate SAP S/4HANA with Microsoft Azure, a cloud computing platform, to enable faster and more efficient data processing and analytics. This integration helped Coca-Cola Bottling Company Consolidated, the largest independent Coca-Cola bottler in the US, to improve their financial reporting and planning, reduce their operational costs, and increase their customer satisfaction. Another example is SAP and Siemens partnered to integrate SAP S/4HANA with Siemens MindSphere, an IoT platform, to enable smart and connected manufacturing and supply chain management. This integration helped Casa Compression, a leading manufacturer of compressed air systems and services, to optimize their production and logistics, enhance their product quality and reliability, and increase their energy efficiency and sustainability. A third example is SAP and Adobe integrated SAP S/4HANA with Adobe Experience Platform, an AI platform, to enable personalized and engaging customer experiences. This integration helped Swisscom, a leading telecommunications provider in Switzerland, to deliver relevant and consistent content and offers across different channels and touchpoints, increase their customer loyalty and retention, and grow their revenue and market share. In conclusion, SAP Basis is a key enabler of innovation and business transformation, as it can integrate with emerging technologies such as generative AI, cloud computing, and IoT to provide new and improved ways of doing business, create value and competitive advantage for the organization, solve complex and challenging problems, enhance the customer experience and satisfaction, and achieve the strategic goals and objectives. Organizations that leverage SAP Basis to integrate with these technologies can gain a competitive edge in the market, improve their performance and efficiency, and create a positive impact on the society and the environment. Ethical considerations surrounding SAP Basis integrations. SAP Basis is a software platform that provides the foundation for SAP applications and systems, such as enterprise resource planning, ERP, customer relationship management, CRM, and business intelligence. By SAP Basis enables the integration of these applications and systems with various technologies, such as artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things, IoT. These integrations can offer many benefits for organizations, such as improving efficiency, productivity, innovation, and customer satisfaction. However, they also pose significant ethical challenges and risks, such as affecting the human dignity and rights, the responsibility and accountability, the fairness and justice, the transparency and explainability, and the trust and confidence of the integration. Therefore, it is essential to examine the ethical implications of integrating SAP Basis with AI, cloud computing, and IoT, and to discuss the importance of ensuring data privacy, security, and transparency in these integrations. Moreover, it is necessary to provide guidance on how organizations can address ethical concerns and build trust with their stakeholders by adopting an ethical and human-centric approach, following the ethical principles and guidelines, implementing the ethical safeguards and mechanisms, conducting the ethical assessment and review, engaging and consulting with the ethical experts and stakeholders, and educating and raising awareness about the ethical issues and solutions. The impact of the integration on the human dignity and rights. One of the ethical implications of integrating SAP Basis with AI, cloud computing, and IoT is the impact of the integration on the human dignity and rights of the users and customers, as well as the employees and partners of the organizations. Human dignity and rights are the inherent and inviolable values and entitlements that every human being possesses, such as the right to life, liberty, privacy, equality, and non-discrimination. The integration of SAP Basis with AI, cloud computing, and IoT can potentially affect the human dignity and rights in various ways, such as the integration can enable the collection, processing, and analysis of large amounts of personal and sensitive data of the users and customers, such as their identity, location, behavior, preferences, health, and financial status. This can pose a threat to their privacy and autonomy, as well as expose them to the risks of data breaches, identity theft, fraud, and DISCRAMANTAON. The integration can also enable the automation and optimization of various tasks and processes that involve the employees and partners of the organizations, such as decision-making, planning, scheduling, and monitoring. This can affect their dignity and rights, such as their right to work, to fair remuneration, to social protection, and to participation. Moreover, the integration can create new challenges and responsibilities for the employees and partners, such as the need to acquire new skills, to adapt to new roles, and to cope with the ethical dilemmas and conflicts that may arise from the integration. The responsibility and accountability of the integration. Another ethical implication of integrating SAP bases with AI, cloud computing, and IoT is the responsibility and accountability of the integration. Responsibility and accountability are the moral and legal obligations and liabilities that the actors involved in the integration have, such as the developers, providers, operators, users, and regulators of the SAP basis applications and systems, as well as the AI, cloud computing, and IoT technologies. The integration of SAP bases with AI, cloud computing, and IoT can raise complex and challenging questions and issues regarding the responsibility and accountability of the integration, such as the integration can involve multiple and diverse actors, each with different roles, interests, values, and expectations. This can create ambiguity and uncertainty about who is responsible and accountable for the design, development, deployment, operation, and maintenance of the integration, as well as for the outcomes, impacts, and consequences of the integration. The integration can also involve dynamic and adaptive systems, such as AI and IoT, that can learn from data, interact with the environment, and change their behavior and functionality over time. This can create unpredictability and complexity about how the integration works, what the integration does, and why the integration does it, as well as about the potential risks and harms that the integration may cause or prevent. The fairness and justice of the integration. A further ethical implication of integrating SAP bases with AI, cloud computing, and IoT is the fairness and justice of the integration. Fairness and justice are the moral and social principles and norms that require the integration to treat the stakeholders of the integration, such as the users, customers, employees, partners, and society, in an equitable, impartial, and respectful manner. The integration of SAP bases with AI, cloud computing, and IoT can affect the fairness and justice of the integration in various ways, such as the integration can enable the generation, distribution, and utilization of various benefits and values for the stakeholders of the integration, such as economic, social, environmental, and cultural benefits and values. However, the integration can also create or exacerbate various inequalities and disparities among the stakeholders of the integration, such as digital, economic, social, and cultural inequalities and disparities. The integration can also enable the decision-making, recommendation, and intervention for the stakeholders of the integration, such as for their behavior, performance, welfare, and opportunities. However, the integration can also introduce or amplify various biases and discriminations against the stakeholders of the integration, such as based on their characteristics, attributes, or preferences.